Hello makers. In this project we will learn how to build a simple ESP32 based security system that can alert you directly to your WhatsApp Messenger. So right now we have integrated an RF based wireless door sensor with an ESP32 with an RF receiver. So let's trigger and mimic that someone opens the door. So door is opened, and as we see we are receiving the message alert directly to our WhatsApp Messenger. Okay, so let's start with registering our WhatsApp bot. So let's head to our official website. You can find the links in the description given below. So directly jump to the registering section. If you are not using WhatsApp, then you can download it from the Play Store. And if you are using WhatsApp on the daily basis like me, you just have to copy this number and have to save this number, and you can give it a name whatever you like. Right now I am giving it name as a WhatsApp bot. Let's save. Yeah, so the bot number is saved. Now just open the WhatsApp, search your saved WhatsApp bot number. You have to sometime refresh the contacts. Yeah, so it's showing now WhatsApp bot. Again, head to our website. Step 2 will be copy this string, I allow call me bot to send me message, and just paste it and send it. Yeah, just after sending this string, you will get a new API from the WhatsApp bot. Just wait little bit. Okay, so as we see, the WhatsApp bot has given us a API key, also a test link. So you can click to the test link in the Chrome, and you will receive a message in your WhatsApp. So over here it's saying the message has sent successfully. So you should receive a this is a test message on your WhatsApp bot. Yeah, so this is a test message has received successfully. So our WhatsApp bot has registered successfully, and we can now head toward the ESP32 programming part. Okay, so we will follow this circuit diagram for our project. So we are using ESP32 and 433 megahertz RF receiver, and we are using GPIO 23 for a data input for an RF receiver. But you can use any of the GPIO pins for your project. You can find all necessary details for the project in the link given below in the description. All RF sensors have some unique address embedded in them, so they transmit that unique address each time when they are triggered. So our RF door sensor is based on EV1527 IC. It has a 24-bit encrypted packet in them. So in order to detect that our sensor is triggered, we first need to read the 24-bit packet. So we will read that packet based with an RC switch.h library. So first we will copy this example code and we will paste it in our Arduino IDE. And if you are not using 23 GPIO number 23, you need to change this in this line. So let's now plug our ESP32. So it's detected in COM port 5, and rest of the settings are default. And now pressing the upload button. My ESP needs a little press on the boot key in order to upload the code. Yeah, it started uploading. Okay, it's uploaded, and let's jump to the serial monitor, and you need to select the 9600 bird, and let's test by triggering the door sensor. So as you see, when I triggered the door sensor, it is sending this encrypted 24-bit data, and it's an unique data for the particular sensor. So we will copy this data as we will use this in the final code. Let's jump to our final example code. So over here you will need to make some changes, like if you are using different GPIO pin, then change over here, and you have to enter the Wi-Fi credential, SSID and password over here, the API key that the WhatsApp bot has sent you, and your registered mobile number that you are using for your WhatsApp Messenger app, and the sensor address that we have collected in the previous example, and just hitting the upload button. Okay, pressing the boot key in order to upload the code in ESP32. Okay, so code has been uploaded. Now opening the serial monitor. As we see, Wi-Fi connected message is printed in the serial monitor. So let's test it out by opening the door. So right now, since we can see that sent OK message is printed in serial monitor, it means like ESP32 has successfully sent an WhatsApp notification as shown in mobile display.
If you have enjoyed the video, then do not forget to hit the like and share button, and if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to our channel for exciting videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.